You know what it is? It's the ceiling fan. Ugh, but how can we fix that? This is the Parrot Uncle ceiling fan. This is a 75-inch blade. Let's put it up, shall we? I went to parrotuncle.com because I'm tired of seeing the same fans that you see in the big box stores everywhere. Well, they have over 270 styles to choose from, and they've been in business since 2013. Their shipping is fast and free. I mean, I ordered on a Tuesday and I got it on a Thursday. That's pretty quick, don't you think? Before doing any electric work, you want to find the proper breaker and then put a piece of tape after you turn it off, marking it as do not turn on. This way, you don't get a shock. Now, we know there was a ceiling fan here already, so we know we have the proper bracing and the proper mount. In the instructions, it tells you how to wire everything and when to do it. As you can see, there's plenty of wiring here, so you can use this long rod that it came with or the short rod that it came with. We're going to use the short one because our ceilings are 9 foot. No power tools, only use a regular manual screwdriver. Back out these screws because they're locks that hold the pole in place. This goes on first. The cap goes on. And then finally, the real cap, the trim piece and then the cap, okay? That's gonna allow you to now feed everything through this pole. Go. So this cotter pin, this pin here goes through the base. There you go. And then the cotter pin pushes right in here. And then you tighten the screw here. That stabilizes the pole. There you go. Now this, you push down, and then this will go up. All the wiring nuts that you need are supplied. To have secure wiring, take your 2 wires that you're going to put together, split them in half, then twist the 2 wires together 1/2, and then twist the other half of the 2 wires together, and then you're going to twist the 2 halves together and then put your wire nut on. Very simple, very easy, and gives you a nice, tight, secure connection, and then you put your wire nut on there, and everything's just nice and tight. See this pattern? The blade will only go in a certain way. And then you just simply line up this hole with this hole. And everything just goes in easy. Unfortunately, I forgot to hit the record button when I was putting up the ceiling fan itself. But it's very simple, folks. You have your mounting bracket that you mount to the ceiling, make sure it's secure. And then the ceiling fan has a ball that goes right into that. So you do that, and then the wiring is also just as easy. You have a black and a white wire coming out of the control module. The black wire goes to the black or red wire that's coming out of the ceiling. The white wire connects to the white wire, and you connect your ground. It's that simple. And of course, now that I've got you caught up, you do the blades opposite sides so that it's all balanced. It's easier to put the blades on after you've mounted the motor, mainly because of the size of the ceiling fan itself. You know, it's not a heavy fan, but it has a quality weight to it. There's a lot of aluminum in the construction of this fan. And now that the fan blades are on, it's simply time to put the mounting plate for the LED light fixture on. And that's just 3 screws, and it's plug and play. Very simple. While I finish installing the light, I want to let you know that I reached out to Parrot Uncle, and I'm going to list their website in the description and in the first comment. But I also let you know that they have offered my viewers a 20% discount, and the code is RKS20. Ron No Stuff, or RKS20 will get you a 20% discount. Now, they are not paying me, or they're not sponsoring this video either. I'm just really impressed with the quality of this fan, and I wanted you to get the same quality that I got. Fast, free shipping. I mean, I got my fan in, I think, like 2 days. The fan comes with the remote, the hanging clip for the remote, a balancing kit should the fan be out of balance, which I don't think it will with that many blades, and the battery to run the remote. Oh, Mrs. Ron knows stuff.
Yes.
Notice anything about your family room? But look at this.
Oh, is that a new ceiling fan?
Yes, it is.
Oh, I love that. That was great.
Doesn't it make the room look that much nicer?
It does.
Look at that.
Talk about cooling off in the Florida heat.
Well, just aesthetically, it looks so much better than that puny fan, don't you think?
Oh, yeah. Oh my gosh, I can feel it over here.
Isn't that great?
That's fantastic.
And wait a minute.
Really quiet, too.
And do you hear anything? Let me put my mic up. You don't hear a thing, do you?
Very quiet.
It's a very quiet fan. You can change the direction, whether it's going forwards or backwards. You can put it on 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours. You want to see it full speed?
Yes.
That's amazing, isn't it? Ron knows stuff, Mrs. Ron knows stuff, and now you know stuff too. Get you one of these fans. And thanks for watching. Bye for now.
Bye.
Oh, and one last thing. Remember to like, subscribe, and share, because every time you do, we get
Kibble for Cocoa. Hello? Yeah.